Namaskar, Yokar Tumka. We are right now at Manipal Hospitals, Dona Paula, and we have met one personality who doesn't require any introduction across globe, across India, and we are proud that he is right now in Goa. He is one amongst us in Goa, and right now he has come to take the booster dose of vaccination. We have Mohindra Bannath, sir. Thank you very much, sir. First of all, you are taking the booster dose. There has been apprehensions, lot of vaccine hesitancy that we have actually surpassed right now. Do you think there is vaccine hesitancy? Was it required, and is it required right now?
No, I think even initially when people were not really ready to take first and second dose, and I think if it's essential, you should. And now the booster shot is required, so I think people should come forward and take it. I think it's going to help them, it's going to help the society, it's going to help the state, it's going to help everybody. So I think if it's needed, that I request and appeal to people, come and take a shot and just stay healthy.
Sir, what is your experience about COVID? Have you managed to dodge COVID both waves? We are actually entering the third wave now.
Yeah, fine. Actually, to be very honest, I'm thankful to Dr. Salkar actually. And when I came here for my first thing, first shot and first dose, and then second dose and all that, so I've been fine actually. After taking these two doses, actually, I never had any problem. To be very honest, so far so good. So now I think now third dose is required. So I thought, why delay it? It's better to take it now and just keep all those worries and problems away from me.
So you are not retired from cricket, not retired from your active life, and this COVID has happened. So has it curtailed your activities right now in Goa?
No, I take things in a stride. I don't worry. I usually live for today, and for what is important for me is to. Today is more important to me. I should remain healthy. I should enjoy my life. I should be able to do whatever things are available for me in life as such. And so you live with all this. COVID is there. We know that we have to take precautions. We have to take care of everybody in the family and all those things. Whatever I think is necessary, I'm doing that. And I'm thankful to my Rab. I always say that he's always there to help all of us. And I'm thankful to him that I'm hate and healthy.
So these days there was a lot of recall value for World Cup when the movie was produced and it was screened 83, in which you acted, you played a role of your father and someone played your role. First of all, was it difficult to step in your father's shoes, in fact enact your father's role, because he was also one of the biggest cricketer that India saw?
Oh yes, he was a legendary figure. He was a towering personality, and actually I felt honored to play his little bit role in the movie. When I was asked, I was very happy, very excited, because he was my role model in life. And whatever I have achieved, all thanks to his guidance, his foresightedness, and all this help. And he was like a not only fatherly figure for me, he was my mentor, he was my guru. I treat him like my God, basically. So for me, he was always be there, and he's always been helpful to me in my life as such. And it was very, I think, enjoyable to do his role because I knew his personality. And when Kabir Khan asked me, to do that small role, and I jumped into it. I didn't want to miss that opportunity.
What was the biggest challenge before you when actually enacting your father?
No, nothing really, basically. And so I think, see, camera is different from playing cricket because here probably you have to show emotions, you have to show expressions and all that thing, which is very different to sporting field. But I think with the guidance of Kabir Khan, he's a fantastic director, and so whatever he asked me to do, I just did it.
The actor who played your role in the movie, you gifted him your good luck charm of red handkerchief, and then everyone was emotional about that.
Yeah, I think I think he's done it wonderfully well. I think the role he was doing is not easy when you have to trying to copy somebody, his mannerism, his play style, and all those things. I think he's a very good actor, and I think I personally feel he has a lot of potential, and one day probably he'll become a very huge star, and I wish him all the luck. And Saqib is a very nice guy, and a very pleasant person to deal with and work with. And I did spend a lot of time with him before the movie really started, and they started shooting. And so I think he's done his job very well.
Were you also apprehensive that something might be wrong? I might be projected in a wrong way because right now the current generation will go by the movie rather than watching those olden clips.
No, I think they were only talking about '83 World Cup, and they were really concentrating how it happened, how we went through the whole tournament. So I think they've done it very nicely.
So about Goa now, being gone, we are also proud and we are thankful that you are in Goa and you have made this as your home. Why Goa?
No, I consider myself half Goan now. Probably I'll become full Goan maybe next few years' time. And no, I always loved Goa, and I used to come quite regularly here. And so about 12 years ago, then I decided to look for a place and to spend more time. So I've been in and out, but for last 3-4 years I've been more or less staying here full time, and I would say all thanks to COVID that I've been spending more time, and I have some wonderful friends in Goa, and I met some wonderful people, and so probably this is the best place to be in as far as our country is concerned.
Goa is known for football and you are cricket, you are man of the match for the when we won the World Cup. Do people know you on street? Do they say, you look like Mohinder Amarnath or something?
No, they do actually, and see, I just live like Goans now because I just stay in my rubber chappals, wear shorts, and maybe just a very simple thing on top of it. I do regular things. I go to vegetable market. I do shopping. I do like anybody else, like any Goans usually do. Go to fish market, go to malls and all that, supermarket, and do everything really. And really, I'm having a wonderful time. I think.
Started learning Konkani?
Little bit, not much to be very honest, but I'm sure with time I'll be able to pick that up as well.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for spending time with us.
Take care and stay healthy, stay fit. And again, request everyone to come forward and take a booster shot, whosoever is required.